Subscribe to Mark Tutorial YouTube channel and press this bell icon so you can stay updated with latest videos. Hello friends and welcome to Mark ERP tutorial, in which today we will learn how to do sales return transaction. It is a voucher type which is issued to the buyer through the seller for credit of those goods and services which the buyer returns. Now, let us take an example. Suppose Ahuja Medicine Center returned goods worth Rs 30,000 on 5th May 2019. So now we will see that how its transaction can be created in Mark software, for which you will go to Accounts menu, then to Voucher Entry, and then go to Credit Note, and then click on Credit Note from here. So a voucher entry window will open. Mention the transaction date here, like 5th May 2019. That date which we have taken in the example. Then press enter. So a ledgers window will appear. We will select that ledger from here of which customer or party has returned goods, that is Ahuja Medicine Center. Press enter on it, and here we will mention the amount which is returned in credit side, that is 30,000. Then press enter. So a bill adjustment window will open. Now if you want to adjust any bill, so for that we will select adjustment reference from this drop down and we will press enter, then the voucher you are creating. And if you want to adjust any bill against the mentioned bills here, then press spacebar key on that bill and press enter. Otherwise you can also skip this bill adjustment window by pressing escape key. So you will again switch to the voucher entry window, and here we will enter on debit side here. So a ledger window will open. We will now select the ledger of sales return, and in case if software does not have the ledger of sales return, so we will make the ledger of sales return under the sales group, for which you will press F2 key. So a groups window will open. Select sales from here, then a window of new ledger will open. Here you will feed sales return in the ledger name field and then save the details by pressing Ctrl W to create the ledger. Now we will click on sales return ledger from the ledger window. So your cursor will switch here in narration field, where you will feed narration as per your requirement, like amount of returned goods worth Rs 30,000 or whatever you want to mention, or you can also skip it by simply pressing the enter key. Now we will press enter key after entering the narration. Again we will press enter. Then in this details window we will fill the details as per the requirement, or you can also skip this window by pressing the escape key. So now this window will open. If you want to take the printout of this voucher, then click on print button. Otherwise click on save button to save this voucher. So friends, by following these simple steps you can create sales return voucher in Mark ERP software. Thanks for watching.